With almost 40 years of culinary experience at sea, let's take a deep dive into the life of a well-known chef in the cruise line industry. I'm Louis Garrido, and Dish is It. Please welcome Chef Pedro!
Thank you everyone at magandang araw mga taga-kusina.
So how long na po kayo as an executive chef sa cruise line na wino-work ninyo?
I've been executive chef for the last 23 years.
Where did you start off sa pagiging chef ninyo po?
I start as a dishwasher and cleaning the kitchen, all the equipment and the little things.
From that, ilang years yon ginawa nyo before kayo actually went into the kitchen to cook?
More than 2 years. At the end of my second contract, and then I started to train sa actual cooking sa kusina. Dati, sabi ko, sana maging kusinero ako. And hindi ko namalayan, naroon na pala ako sa top position.
Okay guys, so dish is it. Let's start with dish number 1, chicken satay. So ito na nga tayo sa ating dish number 1. So saan po nagmula itong dish na to ba?
Traditionally kasi ang ito sa Malaysia, sa Indonesia. Actually, Indonesia.
So have you been to Indonesia or Malaysia po ba siya?
We just had vacation with my wife sa Indonesia for the last contract. After my last contract, I was there for 14 days to see actually how it looks like, the way they prepare the dish and the food that they have.
So Chef, run us through the ingredients po natin ngayon dito.
Okay, marination ng chicken satay. Meron tayong onion o sibuyas. Galanggal is look like ginger pero hindi siya ginger. Mostly, hindi natin ito ginagamit sa Pilipinas. So, this is something new. And the honey, meron tayong turmeric, coriander and turmeric. At ito ay vegetable stock in case na yung ating niluluto ay kailangan nagdadry, so kailangan maano siya.
So bakit vegetable stock at hindi normal na?
So para nasa balance level siya, hindi siya beef, hindi siya chicken, so para balance. Better na mayroong flavor ng vegetable. And this side naman, ito yung gagawin natin na skewer o chicken satay. Ito, ang ginagamit natin ay ang chicken leg para pag niluto, hindi siya magdadry. And we have the onion, is tanglad o lemongrass. Meron tayong sriracha instead na dry chili o chili, garlic, and peanut butter. At ito yung coconut cream, fresh coconut cream. And both, actually, meron siyang flavor ng soy sauce. First, ang gagawin natin yung marination ng chicken satay. Okay? So, what we do, cut this in small pieces. Hindi man siya kailangang maliliit. 2 cloves ng bawang. At ito na nga yung galanggal.
Galanggal.
Actually, ang tawag sa atin ito ay talangkas.
Talangkas.
Then, iwain din natin ang
Lemongrass
o tanglad.
So sa Malaysian cuisine, very prominent talaga yung mga aromatics.
Yes, actually, they are putting very spicy flavor. It is coriander. Ito naman ang turmeric, pepper, and honey.
So hindi na kailangan dyan ng salt, Chef, kasi meron na tayong soy sauce? Or
It can be added ng konting salt kasi minsan, siyempre, ang recipe ay ginawa sa guideline.
right.
Guideline. So, kung kulang ang flavor, you have to add. Actually, the marination ng ating chicken. Blender here. And gagawin natin itong parang paste.
So if wala kayong ganito, pwede din ng mga food processor or like blender talaga.
Okay lang naman, food processor. Depende sa dami ng iyong gagawin na satay. Then, you have to marinate. Actually, this good. The marination is good for 2 to 3 hours. At kung may time, mas maganda kung overnight. And while we're waiting for the marination, gagawin naman natin yung
sauce.
Yung kanyang peanut sauce.
Okay guys, tip number 1, always make sure na malinis ang ating station kung saan tayo nagluluto para hindi tayo masyadong magulo sa pagpe-prep ng ating mga food. I'm assuming ito yung peanut.
This is the peanut butter. Actually, you can use roasted peanut na i-grind mo.
Any specific type ba na peanut
Mas
butter?
maganda yung medyo chunky siya.
Okay guys, so pro tip, para maging pino yung ating mga ingredients, pwede din kayong gumamit ng mga cheese grater, gaya nitong ginagamit ni Chef ngayon, para mas
Hindi nyo
pino-pino.
na kailangan i-chop siya. Pwede nyo gamitin itong ganitong paraan. Basic lang naman ang paggawa ng sauce. Maging soft lang siya at saka yung flavor niya ay lumabas.
Okay.
Especially ng garlic. So, onion, garlic. And now, ito na nga, ang peanut butter o sabi ko nga, pwede rin ang roasted peanut na pwede kayo magdagdag ng vegetable stock para hindi siya dry.
So combination nga talaga siya ng something sweet and something very savory, no?
Pwede natin lagyan siya ng purong sili, dry chili or the pressed chili. Ito ang coconut cream.
Kung napapansin nyo, si Chef, every time na ginagawa niya yung dish, naguhugas siya ng kamay. So very important talaga yung hygiene din sa pagluluto. Because we're in the kitchen, we're serving other people, serving ourselves. So kailangan clean talaga lahat sa station mo, even your hands.
Para makita mo siyang okay na siya, yung halos mag-split ang peanut at saka ang oil.
Okay guys, so another tip from Chef, no, taste as you go para you can make other adjustments depending on your preference of taste.
So our sauce is almost done.
So while we're doing that, si Chef naman ipipreheat na yung kanyang JML stoneware grill.
Lagay sa skewer ang ating chicken. So actually, pwede mo siyang tuhugin ng straight or you can carve.
Parang paisaw yung style. So another tip guys, para hindi masunog yung ating skewers habang ginigrill siya, pwede nyo siyang ibabad actually sa water for a few minutes bago ilagay yung meat saka siya i-grill. So,
Siyempre, depende rin sa grill na ginagamit natin kasi kung charcoal, talagang susunog ang ating stick.
Tama. So apart sa barbecue sticks, actually pwede din natin gamitin yung lemongrass, no, Chef?
Lemongrass stick. Mas okay kasi siya kung dry ang lemongrass para madali siyang ma-pierce sa meat. Yeah. Now, i-grill na natin yung ating prepared chicken satay. Hindi naman kailangang i-pour ang oil dahil itong stoneware ay non-stick, which is actually very good of grilling any meat at hindi siya sticky.
Kakalagay pa lang, naamoy ko na agad yung chicken na mixed with all the flavors, with the aromatics ng ating spices.
So yan, nakarinig nyo ang sizzle ng ating stoneware. Actually, yung kanyang pinakang griddle, pag ating i-turn yung ating chicken, makikita nyo yung mark as a grill. Para bang nag-mark siya sa charcoal. So, let's see.
So usually, Chef, how long yung each side to cook?
It takes 2 to 3 minutes.
So yun nga guys, sabi nga ni Chef, it takes 2 to 3 minutes to flip, pero depende din sa inyo. So you don't really have to fuss about, yun nga, yung kung masusunog ba or what, yung ating chicken. Kung naamoy nyo lang talaga guys, yung naamoy ko, sobrang bango at sobrang nakakatakam na.
Look at in the middle, yun ang kulay na gusto natin makita sa ating satay.
So yan guys, nakikita nyo nga may grill marks na tayo at yan talaga yung ating hinahanap sa pag nag-grill tayo.
Magandang part ng chicken para sa ganitong satay ay ang thigh kasi ang breast ay madali siya mag-dry.
Pwedeng with rice, pwedeng wala because starter dish talaga siya sa Indonesia. Okay guys, it's all coming together na. So Chef, let's plate!
Okay, first, ilagay ang ating salad. This is sliced cucumber, vinegar with sugar. So, para may flavor siya. And then, we can add some pepper. And then, pwede na natin ilagay yung ating chicken satay.
Wow, that looks amazing. Okay, so tapos na nating i-plating, I think, yung sauce na lang, no? No, Chef?
Yes.
So,
This
how
actually, we call it sauce, but it's actually dipping. So,
I see.
either you lagay mo siya sa top ng ating satay,
Right. Or pwede din siya on the
or
side.
you put this on the side.
Okay guys, so ito na, dish number 1 natin, chicken satay with peanut sauce.
Itong flavor na hinahanap natin. Merong konting kick from the outside and deliciousness in the inside. So, hope you like it.